What is up, guys? Silver Warrior here. Today, I just want to make a quick video on something that I should have covered several days ago or even several weeks ago, but I wasn't exactly sure how this event would be played out. I thought maybe, just maybe, prices will kind of settle back down, but I should have known. It's Bitcoin. Come on now. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's just Bitcoin prices exploding, and is it too late to invest? And the simple answer, no. It's really not too late to invest in Bitcoin. And if it were silver or gold, I'd say, yeah, you've missed the deadline. But that's because silver and gold are predictable, okay? Silver and gold, what they like to do is they like to go up, maybe every, 5 or 10 years, explode in value, and then crash back down. So you wouldn't want to invest during that time where silver was, at a peak of a bubble. But I don't believe Bitcoin is at the peak of its price. When I last checked, which was about a minute ago, and prices have probably changed at the point of me actually saying this, but they were $2,210 per Bitcoin, which is actually a little bit down for today. Earlier, I think around 3:30ish, they were around $2,300, and then around 5 they went down to 2,100, and they came back up to 22. So, I've been trying to track the price a little bit and see how much the prices can change in an hour. They can change by $100. You can literally refresh the prices and see it change within a matter of seconds. Bitcoin is extremely volatile, I will admit, but I do not believe it is too late to get into Bitcoin yet. And the reason for all this growth mainly is that Bitcoin was in a bit of a recession before, when it was down, I think around $1,400 a Bitcoin, maybe even lower. So the prices were struggling a lot, and this is like a couple months ago now. Well, not a couple months ago, but about a month and a half ago. So prices were very, very low compared to now, because it is coming out of a recession, and it is not just experiencing recovery, but it's just like prosperity. Okay, so I mean, this is not even like, just like coming back up to where you'd expect. This is like insanely high, even for Bitcoin. I mean, we're talking about figures that are almost double the price of gold per ounce. That's not something that you normally see, okay? I mean, a single Bitcoin, I think, well, no, I don't think, I know, is worth more than all of the silver on here. All 5 of these ounces of silver plus 90% Kennedy half dollars, 80 war nickels, and 50 Roosevelt dimes. All the silver in here is not worth a single Bitcoin right now, nor has it been for a very long time. Okay? I mean, think about that. That's astronomical, the amount of value that Bitcoin has right now. But it's still not too late. There's still room for growth. It could possibly hit 2,500, I think, seeing this growth, or maybe even higher. I'm not a complete expert on Bitcoin, but I do know one thing, and that is now is still a good time to buy. I don't know if we're ever going to see Bitcoin go back down into where we were seeing it at the recession. And with that being said, I'm not advocating just necessarily investing in Bitcoin, because unlike precious metals, like I said, it's extremely volatile. I mean, it can go up or down $700 in 2 weeks. That's not a normal thing to see. Okay, and then go down $200 in the matter of an hour, and then come back up $100 in another hour. That is not simply normal. So it's probably more volatile in the stock market at this point, but there is money to be made if you know what you're doing. Same thing with Litecoin and Ether. Those are both doing extremely well at this point, those are something that interests me even more than Bitcoin, just because of the fact that they're coming out of the ground floor right now. So I think that those have even more potential, but that's a topic for another video. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and that is it for this one. Peace, love, and much respect.